Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from opening on the startup on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you're using, whatever PC you're using. Of course, it should contain the Windows 11. If you're using a Windows 10, you can just go into your settings and upgrade it to Windows 11 now and for free without any problems. Of course, you can run the installation even in your background of the PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And of course, once the installation finished, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10, but I bet once you get used to it, you will not find any problems and you will even like it much better. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any files from your PC or any apps, so don't be scared about that. And as we said, is we would like to stop apps from opening on startup. So what we would like to do, of course, is just go to our task manager and right click on it. For you, you will not have this pop-out. For you, you will have a pop-out with three options. I have this because I'm installing an extension on my PC. Of course, for you will find the sign-in option, the taskbar settings, and the task manager. For you, just click on the task manager option, and of course, this task manager will open for you. Now you'd like to go to this fourth option, which is the start apps. And here you will find all the apps that start with the PC when you open them. Whatever is enabled, that will be opened when you open your PC as well. Whatever disabled, it will not be opened unless you opened it, even if you open your PC. So if you want to stop an app from opening on startup, just go and on enable app. So this is an example, and make sure to right click on it and disable it, or you can just left click and click at disable right here, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.